Hello and welcome to Math 135. This is Tracy, and we are going to use our TI graphing calculators to work on the problem that you have in your notes. In the problem we are going to fill out a probability distribution table for the number of Mexican Americans selected for jury duty in a county where 80% of those eligible for jury duty are Mexican American. In other words, we are going to find the probability of a specific number of successes in a binomial experiment. So we know that we have this binomial experiment with 12 trials because each jury has 12 members. And for each trial, each jury member, there is an 80% chance of success, an 80% chance that the juror we pick is Mexican American. So to calculate the types of probabilities we're looking at, we are going to use the second favorite button on our calculator. This is the distribution button. So when we hit second vars, we come up to this screen, and you can see the screen here on your right. We want to work with a binomial distribution. So we can scroll down, because we don't see binomial in the list we have so far. Scroll down. And we have a couple of binomial distributions here. We have a binomial PDF, see the letter P here. And for B, that was A, and for B we have a binomial CDF. Now the PDF is what we want in this case, so we can go ahead and hit enter. We want to find the probability of a specific number of successes. That's the PDF, the probability distribution function, the probability that we have exactly X successes. So we have 12 trials because this is a jury, and a jury has 12 members. Our p-value, the probability of success, is 0.8 because 80% of the people we could choose from are Mexican Americans. So we have an 80% or a 0.80 probability of selecting a Mexican American for each member of the jury. And then we want our X value. Let's just pick a specific number of jurors that we want to be Mexican American. How many successes do we want? Well, we're going to say 10, just as an example. What's the probability that if we have 12 members in a jury, 80% chance that for each member being Mexican American, that we have exactly 10 Mexican Americans? So we go ahead and paste that onto our main screen. Now, if you have one of the calculators that did not prompt you with number of trials, P, X value, you will just type in binompdf. You will just do second vars to get your binompdf, and you will have an open parenthesis. Then you need to know what order to fill in your number of trials, comma, your probability of success, comma, the specific number of successes that you want to know a probability for. So in your notes that you have for your exam, write that down. Binompdf NPX, or binompdf number of trials, comma, probability of success is a decimal, comma, number of successes. So when we go ahead and hit enter here, we see that there is a 0.2834 blah, blah, blah chance that in that jury exactly 10 members are Mexican American. So when we go back to our binomial distribution table, in the box that says the probability X equals 10, we would put this number. Now I'm going to give you the completed probability distribution table. I recommend that you go in and try this process a couple of times to make sure that you're getting the correct answer. All right, well, thank you.